Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and I know I look rough, guys. I wanted to get my first video up on time as far as the collab, the open collab, and so life happened, and this is what's going on right now. Let me see if I can do this. I don't think I can. All right, well, I'll show you guys in a few moments that what happened to me. So I put my foyer together, and I'm not finished with it, but I wanted to go ahead and get this up just so you guys can have something to actually see. So I'm going to flip the camera around, and I'm going to show you what life happened and the reason why I didn't get an opportunity to do a full-blown decoration of the foyer. Now the foyer will have a, I'm hosting an open collab, or co-hosting with Felicia over at Miss Fee Marie. And the tree that's going in the foyer is going to be the tree that matches what's out there now, my Dollar Tree tree. So it's no tree up out there right now. And I didn't actually do the round foyer table. I did I call it our shoe cabinet, and I did the bench, and I did the railings. And guys, I hope you enjoyed. I am so sorry. There is a couple of DIYs in there, but I didn't film it. I'll point those out to you when we go start. So let me go ahead and start, so this video won't be extremely long. So I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And thank you for all your support, your love, your patience, your understanding. And here we go with the foyer. Okay guys, so this is what has happened. My foot has been hurting for about 2 or 3 days now, and I finally couldn't take it anymore. I had to go to the urgent care, and I think it has a hairline fracture up in here, but you know they can't put a cast on it. So I'm in the air casting, but I got, like, you know, the Michael Jordan things they used to pump up. So I'm in this. So I'm hurting right now because I've been on it, hopping around trying to get this foyer thing done. But I just wanted you guys to see what was going on and let you know that I'm on top of it. Even though I'm hurt, I am on top of it. So I love you guys, and here is, okay guys, so that is what's going on with me, yes. And so now I am getting ready to take you on a tour of the foyer. So please enjoy. Make sure that you go look at the other people's video that's in the playlist. And if you're not a part of this collab, open collab, it's not too late for you to get in on it, I don't think. So I love you guys, and here it is, our 2018 partial foyer. Okay fam, so here we are. As you can see, I'm going with the rustic theme for the foyer. A lot of buffalo check and woodsy kinds of things. The garland that's on the banister, it is all Dollar Tree items. It's 3 Dollar Tree things of what you call that stuff, garland. And up here is 2 things of garland, along with, I found the truck at Dollar General, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for one of those trucks as well. The wreath right here is a DIY. It's a Dollar Tree wreath form, and Dollar Tree, everything except for the actual greenery is from Dollar Tree. And I just put the berries and the check
ribbon on it, and poinsettias. And then the 2 deer came from TJ Maxx, and as always, one of them had a little accident. And I'm showing you a close-up of the little red truck. I love it. It gives you a countdown to Christmas, but it only goes for 29 days. As well as the 2 vases is Dollar Tree items, and that's a DIY as well. I did not film it, but it's very simple. It's the check ribbon around the base with a bow and some Dollar Tree berries. And the white berries I got from Dollar Tree last Christmas season, and as you can see, it's poinsettias in the back. And the deer at TJ Maxx, I think one was 12 something and one was 14 something. I think the tall one was 14 and the small one was 12. And I just have some pics down in the front, and I have it on fur so it can seem like it's a little bit of snow on the ground. And as I said, the banister is all Dollar Tree items. 3 garlands, poinsettias, ribbon. Only thing that's not in here that I am going to go back and put in here is the check, the buffalo check ribbon. So I do have to go and put that back in there to tie it in with the shoe closet as well. And when we go down to the bench items are the 2 fur rugs. Those were the ones that I use as a table runner, and so now I'm just using it so it's like it's fur on the bench, along with the pillows and the throw. And those came from Michael's, and Michael's is having a 40% off of their Christmas decor right now, as well as their Christmas trees. Great deals on Christmas trees, guys. And I love this. It has Merry Christmas on it in white letters, and I got 2 of those. And the pillows were $14 and the throw was $16, and it was 40% off on both of them. And so other than that, guys, I'm going to show you another roundabout of everything. But as I said before, the foyer is not complete. A Christmas tree will be going up out there, as well as me doing the foyer table. So I'm going to do the foyer table next, because I'm going to do a DIY with that. And of course it's going to be tied in. And as you can see, I placed pine cones inside of the vases or vases, and you can put candles in there, LED candles. I think I'm going to put some lights in there. I'm going to take the pine cones out, and I'm going to frost them. I'm going to paint over with white and put some light snowy stuff on it, and then I'm going to put some lights down in there. And that's how I'm going to do those. So guys, I really truly hope that you enjoy this. And as I said, the wreath is a DIY as well. I really enjoyed doing this, and I can't wait till all of it is completed. So guys, I truly love you. I thank you for all of your support again. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and share, and go over and see the other people's playlists.
Okay, fam, so that was the tour of the foyer. And as I said before, I am going to do some more decorating to the foyer, and you'll be able to get to see the entire thing in its completion. especially once the tree goes up out there. So I'm super excited about finishing that up. And on my next DIY, I may just show you guys the rest of the foyer. I may do a DIY for the foyer table, and then that way I will be able to show you guys some more of the foyer. So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. Bye-bye.